Hi, in this short tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to add the widget or use the widgets in your WordPress website. It's very simple. Let's come to the computer screen. Here is the admin panel of our WordPress. In the left side, you will find a menu. When you will mouse over this option appearance, you will find a flyout, and in flyout, you will find a widget option. Click this widgets option. Here you will find all the widgets available. In my case, maybe they are different in your case, but the procedure will be the same for adding or removing the widgets. Let's come to this area. Here is my sidebar archive widgets, and here is sidebar single post widgets. Here you can see that different widgets are in sidebar single post. Let me show you the effect of these widgets first. Here is my post, and in post you will find different items in the right side area. You can find archives, you can find categories, and in categories popular tags and something like that. Let me show you the widgets again. Here is the sidebar single post. This block, and a search block, in a product category. This block contains having some text, like you can see here the archive. Okay, and here is the text area. You can see this will be the text Elementor ID. This is a short code of this text. Let me popular tags. You can see here popular tags is here, and you can see popular tags here. And when we will remove this widget, let's suppose we will remove this widget popular tags. I'm going to delete it. And then you can see, let me refresh it, this widget gone. In the same way, we can remove any widget from our sidebars. Let me add the widgets now. It's very simple. You have to click, let's suppose we want to put a widget like product search here. We have to click this and drag it to here. Product search widgets have added, and you can add the title here, like I am going to write it search product. Save. Let me show you the effects of this change. You can see a search is here at this place. Now I'm going to delete it because search is duplicate here in my case. In this way you can add and you can delete widgets from your website. That's the end of today's discussion. Thank you very much for watching this short tutorial. Keep watching the next one.